So I opened a new document in Pages, and then I picked a background. I like to make mine kind of fancy and label it, so you'll see the background that I made. The next thing that I want to do is actually take a picture of something, some object in my house that I want to turn into a sticker. And the trick is to take a picture of it with nothing in the background, just one solid color. So I'll show you some examples. You could take just a camera photo right from here. You don't have to take the picture beforehand, you can use the camera. Or, since I already took my pictures around the house, I'm going to tap photo or video. I'm going to go to the album I saved them in. I have a special green screening album. And where is it? There it is. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start with some goldfish because I like goldfish. Now you'll see it dropped it in just as a picture, which doesn't look like a sticker. We have some work to do. So to change this into a sticker, you'll notice I have a solid colored background. It's really just kind of a gray background. So I'm going to go to the paintbrush, and we have Style, Image, and Arrange. Now Arrange will let me decide if I want this at the front on the top layer or if I want it in the back. Now we can't see it, so I definitely want to keep it on the top. Next, we need to go to Image, and I'm going to use something called Instant Alpha, and this is Page's way of taking away that second layer of the green screen, or in this case, the gray screen. And it can do it with any solid color. So if I press Instant Alpha, it says drag across colors to make transparent. I put my finger here and I drag, and look at that. It's going to take out everything that it turned blue. If I let go, it's gone. All of that's gone, and all I'm left with is my goldfish. Ooh, but look at this. I missed a little piece. So I'm going to go back to the paintbrush, Image, Instant Alpha, and I'll take that little bit away. Now I can resize it. It's looking a lot more like a sticker, but I'm going to do one more thing. In Style, I'm going to give it a border here. I like this one in the middle because it adds a little outline, kind of like a real sticker might. I can move it anywhere I want on my page. So now I'm going to do another one that's a little bit more challenging. I'm going to add a picture of a horse that I took, and I took it on a green screen, and I intentionally did a bad job taking the photo. There you're going to see lots and lots of wrinkles and shadows that make this a little bit more challenging. And it requires just a little bit more patience. So here's my horse. It's adding, and you'll notice all sorts of things, right? Lots of wrinkles. Wrinkles are our enemy in green screening. So I'm going to go back to the paintbrush, go to Image, and Instant Alpha, and I'm going to have to do this lots of times now. If I pull here, you'll notice it starts to take away some of the horse, so that's too far. I'm just going to try to get it real close and let go. And now I think I took away a little too much of my horse, so I'm going to undo and try that again. Let's try over here. And I'll try over here. And over here. Now I'm getting closer. I just have some little pockets here to get rid of. And remember, if you do too much, you can always undo that step and try it again. The shadows get very tricky because there's so many different colors in the shadow. There's lots of different greens and blacks. So I'm getting closer here. I think I took away part of his hoof. I might have to go back and undo that. Okay, this is not perfect, but let's say it was. If I'm finished, oops, one other thing I can do, if I double tap on the image, I can change the side of the box and save myself some trouble. I'm just going to take that black part out and do this. Okay, so now I have my horse here. It's looking pretty good, but I want to add that outline too to make it look like a sticker. So I go back to the paintbrush, Style, and you pick the one in the middle. And now I've made a sticker. So when I'm all finished with my sticker book, I can just take a screenshot of this, or I can export it as a PDF, and then you've got some stickers that you can use.